Welcome to Octavia Beauty, you guys, and on today's video we're going to be doing a get ready with me, and the palette I'm going to be using is the Natasha DENONA CIRCO Loco palette. This palette is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to be using this palette along with some other favorites and some products that I haven't used as much. So if you guys like this look and you love these types of videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get started with the makeup.
Everything feels so abstract, yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Can't deny that all the things you said are hurting. Still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. How it hurts to see you smile, like a dagger in me. She just seems so juvenile. I just want it to be me. I wanna set your world on fire. Oh, you're so sure I'll stick around. Oh, my heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there's a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Oh, even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too. 'Cause baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. No, baby, I don't wanna be. Baby, I don't wanna be. Everything feels so abstract, yeah, it's complicated. What you say, the way you act, well, it makes me so confused. I don't know what to do anymore. Can't you just make up your mind? My heart drops when you play around. How can you be up when I'm down? Don't wanna think about it right now. Maybe you just wanna be friends, but there is a fight when we are talking. Maybe you just wanna pretend, but I can read between the lines. Even if I can't deny that all the things you said are hurting, still wanna be with you. I think you want it too.
Amaru, Masklova. Yeah, girl, you looking better than the photos. Need more of your time, so I'm watching you in slow-mo. Yeah, busy schedule, but it doesn't really matter when it comes to you. Yeah, I can't wait till we're together, I can never get enough of you. Yeah, she said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah, nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. She got that vibe, she got that go-go. Oh, she mesmerized with her eyes when she's so close. Yeah, you gon' see when you get to know me. I'll be right beside you when you're lonely. How you be swinging with that body, put it on me. Woo! Want you be the body in my story. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah, nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah. She said, what you want from me? Baby, what you want from me? Yeah, yeah, nothing but your company. Sitting on the top with me. Yeah, yeah, oh. Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah. Yeah. Girl, I can give you the time of your life right now, right now. Give you the moment you never could have right now, right now. Let me in, let me in, let me in your world. Yeah, let me in, let me in, let me in your life. Yeah.
I'm buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on. Like that Marvin Gaye song. I'm stunning, you love it. Come on, give me something. I know that you want it. Come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we. So let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to if you love me right. Yeah. This could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. We can keep on dancing all night. Give it to me, baby, all night. Let's go. It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. This high up above from the ground, we're closer to heaven. I won't fight it, can't deny it. I'm under your spell. Just like magic, won't forget this for the rest of my life. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking world, can't believe my
Okay guys, I am back with the final look. I do feel like my skin is so glowy and so radiant, and I do feel like that this is one of the best looks that I have done. Like, this is just one of those days where, you know, when I'm on my Instagram, make sure you follow my Instagram. You know, I'll be talking about, oh, I gotta go cook for you guys, and this is one of those looks. Inspiration just happened to hit me today, and I wanted to bring back me. I feel like I am finally back. I am finally back into my YouTube groove, and I'm finally about to pump out these looks and give y'all this makeup on point and on period pool. Okay, so this Natasha DENONA CIRCO Loco palette is gorgeous, and I know this palette can be intimidating, and you just have to find some inspiration. And what you can use by finding inspiration, you can use YouTube videos, you can use Pinterest pictures, and just find some looks or some colors that you may think that look together. And that's how you can find some inspirations for your looks when you get these intimidating type of palettes. Because I thoroughly enjoyed this video. I love this this Laura Mercier what is this, the glow powder, the Cosmic Rose, the translucent light catcher powder that adds this glow back to my skin. I absolutely love this powder. Like, I feel like I've found like the best combination for my makeup. Like, what I did today, I know all of it wasn't recorded when I did my concealer because I thought the camera wasn't on, and the camera wasn't on. I actually think my remote died that goes to my camera. And so hopefully I got the bulk of the makeup in the camera so you guys can kind of see how I achieved this look. But I do really think my makeup looked very, very flawless today. And I love it, and I hope you guys love it. Make sure you subscribe. Leave me some comments. Let me know if you love it. And, you know, you guys, y'all know it's always love. Follow me on my Instagram. I'm going to talk to you later. Goodbye.